Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 336th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. Before we begin, I want to thank all you for all your thoughts and prayers. Recently, I have lost my great Aunt Addie. She was my grandmother's sister on my dad's side. She lived a great life. She was 98 years old and she had a beautiful spirit. I will miss her dearly. I love you, Auntie. Well, today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some whipped cream from scratch. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be full of flavor, delicious. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And once you taste this whipped cream, you will never buy it from the store again. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also my previous video, Southern Orange Pound Cake. I'll also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your bowl, your powdered sugar, and your heavy whipping cream sugar because we're about to make some whipped cream magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, over here I have my large bowl, and make sure you put it in the freezer to chill so that way your whipped cream could be nice and cold, and also your beaters. So now we're going to add in 2 cups of cold heavy whipping cream. And over here I have my powdered sugar. I'm adding 4 heaping tablespoons. And you can always add less powdered sugar if you don't like it too sweet. And 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And all we do is just whip it until it reach stiff white peaks. Gonna start it on low so that way it won't make a mess. Now we're gonna put it on high speed. And this is going to take about 7 to 8 minutes. Alright my friends, there you have it. That's how simple and easy it is to make homemade whipped cream. Look at that, nice and thick, like clouds. Alright, that looks great. And also you can jazz up your whipped cream by adding in some spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, your favorite extracts, almond, lemon, orange. Alright, so now I'm going to fix me a dessert and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty my friends, I have topped my whipped cream with some strawberry cheesecake. You can top it on cake, pie, berries, whatever your heart desires. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Mmm. Creamy and just melts in your mouth. This is amazing. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum. Oh. Whipped cream licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.